So today we're going to install the Quantum aluminum framework, and we're going to be doing dark sequoia for the infill in a vertical installation. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the brackets on. We're doing a sloped section with the vinyl, and so we're just going to line the brackets up with a grade string. We've basically set the string to follow grade within 2 inches of the ground. And so Damo's going to go ahead and set these 2 brackets in place, and we'll get going on this fence. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start putting the infill in. So we start again with the bottom rail and just set it on top of the brackets Damien just put in place. And then we just go ahead and start putting the panels in. Now there is the U-channel that we use for the horizontal fence, but we're going to go ahead and not put that in because this panel is held both top and bottom, so you won't have the vibration problems in most areas. But if you have a customer who's particular about it, you can always put that piece of U-channel in there. Continue putting these panels in. In our typical installation on the vinyl, we have 71.5-inch rails, and we go ahead and set those in place, and then we just have to cut that last panel once we get to the end. So now you can see we have this little sliver here, so we'll go ahead and get that measured and cut a panel. And so we just got to get a 4-inch panel for that, and then we'll be on our way. See, with a skill saw, it's a pretty rough cut. Normally I would have a table saw on site to do this, but didn't happen to today, so we'll go ahead and put it in, and we'll see the magic of having a piece of U-channel that hides all of this. So our post channel, once we get this in place, makes it just seamless. We've got the manufacturer's recommended inserts for the panels. That just prevents thermal bowing in the panels. They just slide down in place. And then we'll just put our top rail on and put our top brackets on, and we'll be good to go. Now we're just putting that top bracket on to finish it up. What we're going to do is we're just going to mark this post again, and we're just marking it for 2 inches above the rail, and we're going to go ahead and cut that. I will just grab a couple tools and get this marked out. Pops right off. All right, and we'll go ahead and set that cap in place. We'll kind of give it a quick tap, and we have a completed section of fence.